comes alive. Every stroke, a story untold, a dance of hues both bright and bold. Morning light, new dreams awake, shapes and shades in every break. Palette speaks, emotions flow. In the art, our spirits grow. Art takes us on a ride, painting skies. Hearts open wide through the lines, dreams we find, colors dancing in our mind. Brushes whisper, secrets shared, lines and layers, none compare. In the moment we take flight, art ignites the darkest night. Story of life on the screen, every image feels so keen. Journey bound with every hue, in the art we find anew. Art takes us on a ride, painting skies. Hearts open wide through the lines, dreams we find, colors dancing in our mind. Lines take shape, the storm begins. Fire ignites beneath the skin. Eyes ablaze, a soul confined. Wrath awakens in every line. Unleash the unleash the fury, let it roar. A heart that breaks can fight once more. Through every stroke, through every scar, a battle rages in who we are. Shadows clash with burning light, a warrior born from endless night. Every detail, every flame, a frozen moment, a cry of pain. Unleash the fury, let it roar. A heart that breaks can fight once more. Through every stroke, through every scar, a battle rages in who we are. A powerful orchestral interlude, a warrior born from endless night. Every detail, every flame, a frozen moment, a cry of pain. The brush moves fast, the anger flies, silent screams fill the skies. In every curve, the story's told, a soul in rage, fierce and bold. Is fire, it burns so deep, a waking force that will not sleep. From pain and loss, a hero grows, through every line their power shows. Unleash the fury, let it roar. A heart that breaks can fight once more. Through every stroke, through every scar, is in who we are. Lines take shape, the fight is clear.